When listening to people talk about turbos, you'll likely hear a lot of numbers and a lot of letters. So what do they refer to? For our example, we've got a PT 6266 76 trim .82 AR. Firstly, you'll usually see a letter or two. This usually designates the brand of turbo it is. For instance, a GT would be a Garrett turbo, while a VF is an IHI branded turbo, and in our case, a PT is a precision turbo. What comes after that is usually two sets of numbers. In this case, it's 62 and 66. These numbers refer to the sizes of the turbine wheel inducer, the outside part of the hot side, and the compressor wheel exducer, the outside part of the cold side. So a 62 means that the turbo fits a 62mm turbine wheel, and 66 means it fits a 66mm compressor wheel. It's worth noting that on a larger turbo, you might see it have a very low number. That's because most companies won't roll over to 100, they'll just start from 0 again. So instead of 45105, it's just 4505. Not all turbos will go via this rule though. For instance, Garrett used the first number to denote the frame size of their turbos. So a GT25 doesn't have a 25mm turbine. Instead, it runs in the GT25 family of frames. Trim is another frequently used term. It refers to the amount of air the turbine or compressor wheel can possibly move, and this is where you're going to wish you paid more attention in math class, because to work it out, you need to do a calculation. Trim is worked out by taking the inducer size and squaring it, then dividing that by the squared exducer figure, and finally multiplying that by 100 and rounding off the figure. It might sound complicated, but essentially, you just have to remember that the higher the trim level of a wheel, the more air it can flow. Another common confusion is AR, or area to radius ratio. It's essentially an indication of how much the housing can flow. This is calculated by looking at the ratio between the distance from the center of the turbo to the center point of the housing, the radius, and the area of the housing that intersects with that line, the area. Just like trim, it might sound complicated, but generally just remember that the higher the AR, the more the housing can flow at high RPMs. So now when someone tells you that they're running a PT 6266 in 76 trim with a .82 AR, you'll know what they're talking about.